Welcome, welcome. Again, we come to put me 2 cents in the young lad and situation about the hacking of the account here. And can we do upload a video yesterday? Yeah. Was talking about the situation and what me hear here. About what mischief say about phone in the school, and there was scrutinizing they were looking at scrutinizing the receipt them and say, XYZ here. But what me couldn't understand yesterday when me hear her talk about some fake liar and something, me want even going at that bit. She backpedaling now. Because through the young lad come out now and say them try for hack him account and something and so forth now. She a backpedal and a wipe her beat them clean, like say. She never say nothing, but as the late Frankie Parr say, fire their mus tail, sing say fire their mus tail and you think a cold breeze, But what me have to say here, so the lady over the camp a fair platform, yes. And this lady mischief, she don't have no platform. So if any backlash, she go get it, yes. Yeah, she go get it because if you see me caption, me put 2 duck, because I'm 5 duck, and a 2 me see over there, when me peep over the fence, on the 2 me see in a the pan and swim. And so, no. When me pass the tea shop, me see one sign up say, that she never phone no school and XYZ, yeah. So, no, everybody a draw away, out a hit. But over the camp, them a play memories, and them a do whatever over there. Only cab was there, and low in the day attack. So I say this to say that, to say when people egg you on if you do all these things, because you're not doing it for corruption, you're doing it because of I just feel envious, they're envious, yes, and that you're doing it for, and the other people them egging you on, them envious too. So I'll get together in our little group and attack, yes, and attacking the young man, because if anybody else can collect the money, it would have been a different thing. But because the woman done so, she getting all the glory and the praise about getting all that money in such a short time. That's why it's such a problem here to who know. But another thing when we hear people keep going on about, why is the GoFundMe still open? If it's for college fee and them not get all of the money that them need, you can leave the GoFundMe open. Me know about GoFundMe. You can leave it open because when the next year come or the following year, I don't know if you can get the full. I don't know how much years the I'm gonna study for. So if it's 2 years or 3 years, if a degree and 3 years, and you get fee for 1 year or 2 years, you might get enough for 2 years. If you got the final year, so you might still want to put out. You can actually start it up again to get some more funds, yeah. So sometimes people will only give so much for the first year, and then when they say you get through the first year, then you can go again and you apply, you go again, and then you do another fundraising, you do another you do another one for the second year. Can we see it happen? So me know what me I talk about. Yeah, so there's no problem with the fund, with the remain open. There's no scamming activity going on there. So if it leave open, what if people apply, whether they're poor or what, or even if them comfortable, you can still apply. If you haven't got the funds to pay your university tuition, you can do a GoFundMe. If you go on there, there's a whole heap of people. Some people are go on there for PhDs, masters, all kind of something. So I don't get why. Depani. So that me I go say. But what me can say now, it look like say people are backpedal now because they want to pull themselves out of it. And as I say before, my uncle used to say, keep it his mouth, keep it his life. And I believe say there's a song writer out there, so and one of the ones say, mind, leave people business alone and mind your own. Yeah, so at that, me have to say that. Say. Gone too far with this thing, It look like, I would call it bullying to a degree, yeah, because the guy was saying he thought it was going to be a straightforward process, and now, it's like he's been attacked from all different angles. 5 people are So many of them depend on a little young boy. That is bullying. Yeah, a bullying we are gonna say. A go on here, so you can't just a trouble somebody. So I mean, I don't understand why these people manage to get away with it. I don't know why, Anyway, and that me just say, so me couldn't understand how the intelligent lady that she says she is, oh, all of a sudden she a backpedal, yeah. Then backpedal and swim back and go along like say, then they ain't say nothing, they wasn't involved in it and wipe them out clean. Like when you use the teeth, when you lick teeth and you wipe your mouth clean, yeah. That's all she do. Anyway, me don't talk. Yeah, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.